Welcome back to your weekly roundup of top automotive and transport stories. Let's dive right in. The global automatic transmission manufacturer JATCO has announced a major boost for the UK automotive industry with the opening of its new factory in Sunderland. This move is set to create new jobs and strengthen the country's position in automotive manufacturing. Drivers beware. The M25 will shut down for 2 weekends in March as part of major roadworks by National Highways. The closures start this weekend, and with thousands of vehicles affected, careful planning is advised to avoid major delays. A decade after the introduction of Section 5A of the Road Traffic Act, experts are calling for evidential roadside saliva testing to strengthen drug driving enforcement. The UK supplier of drug wipe is pushing for the government to adopt new measures to make roads safer. Logistics leaders are demanding more focus on their industry in the UK's industrial strategy. A letter signed by 30 major business leaders has been sent to Business and Trade Secretary Jonathan Reynolds, urging him to recognise the sector's vital role in economic growth. Fleet and video telematics are revolutionising efficiency and safety for businesses, but some drivers remain wary of privacy concerns. How can fleets balance technology and trust? Let us know what you think in the comments. That's it for this week's top stories on FleetPoint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest news in fleet and logistics. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.